Okay guys, now if you have tried imitating this or working out this function or formula that I demonstrated, then you might be facing some difficulties or errors. So what to look up for when that function didn't work out? So there is the first mistake that you might be committing over here is if you press enter, you'll get error, and that's for sure because this is an array function and it should always be pressed or executed by using control plus shift plus enter. So make sure you are using control plus shift plus enter for all the entries over here. If you press enter in any one of those, you will definitely get an error. The second mistake that you might be committing is if I insert a row over here, you'll see everything gets into an error. It's because my range is this. Over here in the formula, in any formula, say in this formula, what I have done is selected this range. So over here it will return, this function will always return me the row number. So let's say we have we have this. So what you might be forgetting to use in this kind of reference of row function is that when you use row function like this, my range over here is this range, which comes 3 lines after my actual, which is like 3 lines below the start of my worksheet. So what I did is -3. Now this is something that you might be missing, so I would like to highlight it. Make sure you subtract the lines above your range to make this row function actually give the reference correctly to the desired row which contains the element that we are looking for. So you don't forget to use the subtraction over here. These are the two mistakes these are the two spots, -3 and control shift enter, subtracting the number from the row and looking for control shift enter on the key as being the execution key are the two things that you should be looking for if your code or this set of formulae is not working properly.